If you have PCOS or hormonal acne, you've probably heard that diet matters. But what does that actually mean? What foods should you eat, and what should you avoid? The truth is, diet can significantly improve PCOS symptoms and hormonal acne because food directly affects your hormones, insulin levels, and inflammation. Today, we're breaking down the science of how food affects PCOS and acne, and exactly what you should be eating. The key to understanding PCOS and hormonal acne diet is understanding insulin resistance. Many people with PCOS have insulin resistance. Their bodies don't respond properly to insulin. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose. Your pancreas releases insulin to help glucose enter your cells. But with insulin resistance, your cells don't respond well, so your pancreas produces more insulin, trying to get the glucose into your cells. This excess insulin has downstream effects. It stimulates your ovaries to produce more androgens, which causes acne and other PCOS symptoms. It also increases inflammation throughout your body. High glycemic index foods, refined carbohydrates, sugars, white bread, spike blood sugar and insulin rapidly. Low glycemic index foods, whole grains, fiber-rich carbs cause slower, steadier blood sugar rises. For PCOS and hormonal acne, keeping blood sugar and insulin stable is crucial. When you eat protein with carbohydrates, you slow down glucose absorption, which keeps insulin more stable. When you eat fiber with carbohydrates, same effect. This is why combining foods matters, not just individual foods. So what should you actually eat? Leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce are nutrient-dense and low in calories. They're rich in magnesium and folate, which help regulate blood sugar. Eat them freely. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, contain compounds that help your body metabolize estrogen more effectively. They're also high in fiber, which stabilizes blood sugar. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries have a relatively low glycemic index despite being sweet. They're high in antioxidants that reduce inflammation. They're one of the better fruits for PCOS. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Inflammation drives both acne and PCOS symptoms. Eat fish 2 to 3 times per week. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds provide protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation. A handful as a snack is ideal. Lean proteins, chicken, turkey, eggs stabilize blood sugar and support hormone production. Include protein at every meal. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, low in glycemic index. They're excellent for blood sugar management. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa are better than refined grains because the fiber slows glucose absorption. But portion control matters. They're still carbohydrates. Healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, coconut oil support hormone production and reduce inflammation. Fat is not the enemy. Yogurt and fermented foods, plain yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut support gut health. A healthy microbiome influences hormone metabolism. Spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties and may improve insulin sensitivity. What should you limit? Refined carbohydrates and sugar spike blood sugar and insulin dramatically. White bread, white rice, pastries, candy, sugary drinks. These feed the insulin resistance cycle. Minimize them. Dairy is controversial. Some research suggests dairy can worsen acne due to hormones in milk. Some women with PCOS do better avoiding dairy. Try eliminating it for 4 weeks and see if symptoms improve. High glycemic fruits, dried fruit juice, ripe bananas spike blood sugar quickly. Fresh whole fruits are better because they have fiber. Vegetable oils high in omega-6. Soybean oil, corn oil promote inflammation when consumed in excess. Use olive oil instead. Ultra-processed foods are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. They're calorie-dense and nutrient-poor. Minimize them. Fast food is typically high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbs. The worst combination for PCOS and acne. Excess caffeine can increase cortisol, which worsens PCOS symptoms. Limit to 1 to 2 cups of tea or coffee daily. Alcohol is high in sugar and calories, affects hormone metabolism, and can worsen inflammation. Minimize it. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats and often made with inflammatory oils. Avoid them. How do you actually implement this? Start with a simple structure. Protein, and low glycemic carbs at every meal. Breakfast example: eggs, protein and fat, with whole grain toast, low glycemic carbs, and berries, fiber and antioxidants. Lunch example: grilled salmon, protein and omega-3s, with quinoa, low glycemic carbs, and roasted broccoli, fiber and cruciferous veggie. Dinner example: lean chicken, protein with sweet potato, complex carb, and mixed green salad with olive oil, healthy fat and vegetables. Snacks: handful of almonds, Greek yogurt with berries, apple with almond butter, hummus with vegetable sticks. Key principles: eat whole foods, avoid ultra-processed items, include protein with every meal, prioritize vegetables, choose low glycemic carbs, include healthy fats, don't obsess over perfection. One donut won't destroy your health. Consistency over time matters more than perfection. Stay hydrated. Water supports all metabolic processes and can reduce cravings. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals leads to blood sugar crashes and overeating later. Consider meal prepping on weekends to make healthy eating easier during the week. If you have severe symptoms, consider working with a dietitian who specializes in PCOS. Personalized guidance can be valuable. Some supplements may help, though they're not replacements for diet. Inositol is a B vitamin-like compound that improves insulin sensitivity in PCOS. Research shows it can help. Typical dose is 2 to 4 grams daily. Spearmint tea has shown promise for reducing androgens in small studies. 2 cups daily for several months. Zinc supports immune function and skin health. Many people are deficient. Vitamin D. Low vitamin D is common in PCOS and is linked to insulin resistance. Get levels tested. Omega-3 supplements if you don't eat fish regularly. N-acetylcysteine may help with PCOS symptoms and skin health. Don't supplement without reason. Focus on food first. Supplements supplement. They don't replace a good diet. Weight loss of even 5 to 10% can significantly improve PCOS symptoms and acne if you're overweight. But focus on sustainable changes, not crash dieting. The best diet is one you can actually follow. Restrictive dieting leads to burnout. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent over time. Start with 1 or 2 changes, not an overhaul. Maybe you eliminate sugary drinks this month and add more vegetables next month. Find foods you actually like. If you hate kale, don't eat it. There are plenty of other vegetables. Plan for slip-ups. You'll have days you eat things that aren't ideal. That's okay. One meal doesn't define your health. Connect with your body. Notice how you feel after eating different foods. Some people feel better with less dairy. Others do fine with it. Your body is unique. Consider working with a professional. Dietitian, doctor. If symptoms are severe or you're struggling, remember, diet is one tool. Sleep, stress management, exercise, and medical treatment all matter too. Diet alone won't fix PCOS or hormonal acne if other factors are off. But diet is something you control multiple times daily. Making better choices consistently adds up significantly over time. Food directly affects your hormones. For PCOS and hormonal acne, eating to stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation is crucial. Prioritize whole foods. Include protein and fiber with every meal. Limit refined carbs and sugar, and be consistent over time. Small changes add up. Your diet is powerful medicine.